Unveiling Idioms. The meaning of snuff out. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, snuff out. This is a term that pops up in various contexts, and understanding it can help you grasp the nuances of English conversations and literature. So, let's light up the topic and see how snuff out is used in the English language. The term snuff out originates from the act of extinguishing a candle by pinching or using a snuffer to cover the flame. It has two primary meanings. 1. Literally, to extinguish a flame. For example, she snuffed out the candles before going to bed. 2. Figuratively, it means to put an end to something. This could be a life, a project, an idea, or a movement. For instance, the new policy snuffed out all hopes of reform. Understanding when and how to use this phrase can add depth to your English communication. Let's take a look at how to use snuff out in different contexts. Literal usage: the wind snuffed out the campfire, leaving us in darkness. Figurative usage: the company's bankruptcy snuffed out its 30 years of heritage. It's essential to pay attention to context to understand which meaning of snuff out is being used. When learning idiomatic expressions like snuff out, it's important not to confuse them with similar sounding words that have different meanings. For example, don't confuse snuff out with sniff out, which means to detect or discover something as if by smell. The phrase, snuff out, can often be found in books, movies, and songs, adding a dramatic effect to the narrative. It's used to describe conclusive and often violent ends to things with a certain gravitas or seriousness. Thank you for watching our video on the meaning of snuff out. We hope this has illuminated this expression for you and added a new phrase to your English vocabulary arsenal. If you have any phrases or words you'd like us to explore, please leave a comment below. Until next time, keep practicing, and don't let anything snuff out your enthusiasm for learning English.